In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Loom on your computer. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first thing we're going to do is open up Google Chrome. If you don't have it open already, just locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or use the search function on your computer. Once it's up and running, we'll head to the official Loom website. You can do this by typing loom.com in the address bar and hitting Enter. This should bring you directly to Loom's homepage. Now that we're on the Loom website, it's time to sign in to your Loom account. If you already have an account, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and enter your credentials, the email and password associated with your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the prompts. It's often a straightforward process, so don't worry if you're new to it. Once you've signed in, the next step is to find the option to download Loom. You should see a button that says Download or Download the Desktop app. Click on that, and it will present you with options based on your operating system. If you're using a Windows computer, make sure to select the Windows option. This step is crucial, as downloading the wrong version can lead to issues later on. After you select the Windows option, just sit tight for a moment as the installer file begins to download. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a little while. Once the download is complete, you'll want to locate the downloaded installer file. This is usually found in your Download As folder, but you can also access it through the bottom bar of your browser, where a notification appears when the download is finished. Now that you have the downloaded file in front of you, let's go ahead and open the Loom installer. You may need to double-click on the file to launch it. Depending on your computer's security settings, you might see a prompt asking if you're sure you want to run this program. Go ahead and confirm that you do, as this is a trusted application. At this point, the installation process will begin, and you'll be guided through several on-screen instructions. Just follow along step by step. You'll probably need to agree to a few terms and conditions. Don't worry, they're pretty standard. Just read them through and click Next or Accept whenever prompted. The installation process might take a few minutes, so be patient during this time. You can watch the progress bar to see how far along it is. Once the installation is complete, a little notification will pop up, letting you know that Loom has been successfully installed on your computer. Now comes the exciting part. You can go ahead and open the Loom desktop app. You should find the Loom icon on your desktop or in your program list. Just click on it to launch the application. Upon opening, you'll be prompted to sign in once again. Remember to enter the same credentials you used before. And that's it. You've successfully installed Loom on your computer. You can now start using Loom to create video messages, record your screen, and share your insights with others in a very effective way. Whether it's for professional use or connecting with friends and family, Loom makes it easy to communicate through video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides and tips, and give this video a